will be showing you guys how to make money with no money. And we're going to do this one as a clothing line business. So, most people today like to dress really aesthetic and stuff. To find cheap aesthetic clothing, of course, AliExpress, which is a Chinese wholesale website, they sell a lot of aesthetic clothing for super cheap. So as you guys can see, here's an iGirl pendant. It's super popular, and she has hers and sells hers for regularly $25. So this is actually a cheaper deal. They have things like this tube top or whatever this is. And like I said, everything that I sell on my Depop, I actually save it. Therefore, I can get to it easier when the customer orders. This shirt is sold for $6.74. You can sell this shirt for about $20. That's the highest I will go on this, because it's just like a plain looking shirt. And then you can make all that profit. So you, of course, want to go through the reviews just to make sure that, you know, everything is right. So like I said, with drop shipping, you want to, once they pay for the shirt, you order the shirt. So, yeah. So you pay, once they pay for the shirt, you order the shirt. A hack that I want to show you guys with is because a lot of wholesale websites, they actually take a long time to come. So this one has the option for ships from. And as you guys can see, it says ships from either China or the United States. So shipping from the United States can be expensive sometimes, which this one isn't. It's $4. So this is $4 plus, let's say, customer orders and medium. So $3.91, which is rounded to $4 plus another $4. This shirt is actually $8. So you would want to sell this shirt for about $16 to make profit. If you sell this shirt for $8, you won't make any profit at all. The thing is, with selling clothes, you have to make your profit in order to actually make money. So yeah, so I have a lot of stuff that I can end up selling. These jeans are like $20. I can sell these jeans for $40 and make a $20 profit. So I like to double my prices on stuff such as clothing. So whatever, so let's say this is $5.84 free, and I like to do this AliExpress shipping or e-packet. That's the only ones I like to use. So this is $5, so I either double it or triple it in order to make my profit. This is a small tank top, so I probably wouldn't only do nothing but double it, just because it is a small tank top and you can't really enforce or sell a really small tank top for a high price. This is a steal, you guys. So this dress, it's like a really good high quality dress. So its original price is $4 plus $4 shipping. So that's $8. So you can end up selling this dress for about $16 to $18, and you can make the rest is profit. And this is what a lot of Instagram shops do, and it's a way of drop shipping. So you would basically, I'm going to tell you guys what you basically need to do. You basically, all you have to do is order it once the customer buys it, and then you can either get it shipped to their house or your house. You can get it shipped to your house if you want to add more packaging to it. But you can easily just ship it to their house, and there you go. Like I said, with this, I like to use customer photos on my page when I'm putting to sell something, because it's actually real photos from the buyers. So like I said, you want to go through the reviews, make sure everything is good, and make sure that you read the reviews on how fast this stuff ships, because some stuff takes years to ship and some stuff takes like 3 days to ship. And yeah, that's how you make your money. So you can sell on anything you want to sell on. I sell on Depop. I find it easier because it's a vintage site and you can sell vintage clothing and trendy clothing on there. And yeah, that's it.